We have waited a long time for it.
It's time to march into the future to build another generation. This park holds that potential to develop that greatness because we know we'll have an upgraded recreational facility so that children in and around the areas have a good family life, have art and recreation, and can see a civility about their country, which is important.
We long for the day and expect it when the great Parliament of Jamaica will be sited at the top of the north of National Heroes Park. And we dream of the time when this good place, embodying the spirits and the lively presence of our national heroes, our prime ministers and our cultural icons, can be a meeting place for the communities. National Heroes Park is the lungs of Kingston redevelopment. The dream is that as Emancipation Park has transformed New Kingston and its curtilage, so National Heroes Park must become the source of oxygen for rebuilding downtown Kingston.
And the total cost of the project is estimated to be $2.5 billion. Don't be frightened by that number. You're not going to get quality without the expenditure of a sum in that magnitude. And we are united in that we believe that the ordinary people of the corporate area of the Kingston metropolitan region deserve a part of that authority. And I'm appealing to those for whom this is being built. Treasure it, preserve it, do not vandalize it, because it's not somebody else's park, it's a park for the people.